up? I'm Kurt Fisher. I'm the name tag. That's what we have. Name tags from Troop 16. Been on staff for 3 years now, working at Nature, the best area ever. Better than Scoutcraft, better than Handicraft, better than Cope, better than the program office, better than, it's better than Aquatic Shoot and Spaghetti Sack. The badges that I teach Nature, Envisi, and Weather. So why do I love camp? Guess I love camp for the good experience, all the awesome friends that you make on staff. We really are friends for life, okay? Like one giant family. What?
We're cousins.
Oh yeah, Zach and I are cousins. CIG cousins. Anyway, so yeah. That's why I love camp. It's good experience too, good teaching, you learn leadership skills, get to get away from the city and stuff. It's so much fun teaching badges. And if anyone is watching this, I recommend that you join staff.